Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 2, and today I want to explain about our discussion, our group assignment from Dr. Syahri Rahim, Business Accounting. So, introduce myself first. My name is Praduko Reza Bimantoro, and my matric number is 297125.
Okay, my name is Dusit Urios Toto. My matric number is 302483.
My name is Haijal Olearsa. My metric number is 297211.
My name is Siti Aisyah binti Muhammad Syukri. My metric number 301440.
My name is Wong Teck Hang. My metric number is 292749. Okay, so now I think we can discuss the additional information, how we put into the journal adjustment.
Okay.
So, for additional information, Wong, you can start first.
Oh yeah, sure. So the depreciation of office equipment. So you have two depreciation of office equipment and the delivery rent, 35,300. So I think this one is easy. So because it's only depreciation, debit depreciation, credit accumulated, and put in the both 35,000 and 3,000.
Everyone already know or still confused about 8?
No.
I think we can proceed to B.
Yeah, you can next.
Yeah, we show the Microsoft again.
So for point B is unpaid office salary of 20,000 ringgit. So for this one, how to solve it, guys? Because I really don't understand for this. So the thing that I know, we should like credit or debit 2,000 ringgit. So we debit also we credit, guys.
Okay, so maybe you can open back the Microsoft Word. I explain a bit.
Okay.
So it's like unpaid office salary, so it is not recorded in the unadjusted trial balance. So the company used 20,000 for the salary, but it is not recorded. So now we need to record it as an expense for the office salary. So we open one account to record it, 20,000.
So we open the account receivable, like debit.
No, it is for payable.
Also
Because
payable.
we record it as haven't paid yet, so we credit the payable for office salary. So debit is the
I see.
expense.
Okay, good.
So the unpaid office salaries have an impact or what? I mean, do you guys know about an impact? Like, for what I understand about unpaid office salaries, yeah. As you can see, this entry also recognize salaries incurred but not yet paid, and also highlighting this information about liabilities and expenses for the period. Is this right or not?
Yes, it will affect the liability because the payable is not recorded, and also the profit and loss. So it will show that the net income will be higher because the expense is not recorded.
Okay.
So when we record 20,000, the net income will drop.
Okay.
So I think we can proceed to C if no problem.
Yeah, I think I already understand.
Okay.
So for C, the available balance of office supplies is in hand was 300 ringgit. So for this information, okay, we need to debit office supplies expense, and we need to credit office supplies because we need to know how much we use the product in our company. How much we use supplies to manufacture a product from our company.
Oh, yes, yes,
So
okay.
we need to take office supplies,
4,000.
the total office supplies and minus the balance. So we get 3,700 ringgit. Okay. Okay.
Okay, that's good.
In here, right?
Yeah. So just
It's in the adjustment there.
just
Oh,
one.
adjustment. Sorry.
Yeah, adjustment.
Okay.
So it is shown there
Oh, this
4,000
one.
from the unadjusted,
For
and we deduct the 300, that is the balance. So we know
so
that
for
it is used by 3,700 for the
oh yeah.
expense.
Okay, I think
So
for
I think we can
let's
proceed.
start here, right? Office supplies 4,000 minus 300. So we will
Yeah.
next.
Next.
Okay, next let me try. A total of 7,800 of unearned revenue was released. The thing that I know about this, like if like insurance or like prepaid, prepaid things like pre-order like that, like someone who already wants to pay it, but they didn't receive the product yet. I mean, like for this case, I think we already unearned about 700, 800 is unearned. But if the product is already like given to the customer, so we revenue it 700, 1,800. Is that it? I think that I understand now. Is it correct, guys?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
it's correct.
Okay,
Nice,
fair enough.
nice.
Actually, it's like this. Maybe you can open back the Microsoft Word.
Yeah.
So, yeah, open back. So, under the, to say the rule of this realize, so it's like after you realize it, then we only recognize it as our revenue. So I'm not sure whether the money is received or not, but for this situation, when we realize, then only we record it as revenue. So before that, it is stated as unearned revenue as a liability in financial statement under unearned revenue. So when we realize at part D here, only we change it to revenue, our revenue as. So we record it as revenue now.
Okay, understand.
So everyone, if okay, then we proceed to part E. Anyone?
Yeah. Okay, bro.
Next. Okay, for E, a sum of 40,500 insurance has already expired. So we need to debit insurance expense at 40,500 ringgit, and we need to credit prepaid insurance at the same amount, 40,500 ringgit. That's it.
So this part you all understand the explanation, huh?
Yep.
So if okay, then we can proceed.
It's logic, bro.
One next question. I mean, what account that put in account receivable, like the point F, the point F says that the billing department forgot to send invoice to a customer for a total sum of 2,004 400. And I mean, uh is that so the billing department put the bit account receivable 2,004 400, and also and credit revenue 2,004 400 of total sum.
Why is it 2,400? It's like 24,400.
So I think I give a bit explanation for this part F. So maybe you can open back the Microsoft Word first.
Yeah.
Question. So this one, the billing part of the ZAO, the billing department forgot to send invoice to the customer means the maybe we sell or give service to the customer, but we forget to give the invoice to the customer. So it's like a account receivable, but we forgot to record it. So now it says that send invoice to customer means we record it as a account receivable.
Let me. Okay, for point G, interest revenue of 5,800 was not recorded. Interest revenue 5,000 was not recorded. So this is still like received, but it's not recorded. So for this point, I think that I know that interest receivable we already like debit 5,800. But for the interest revenue, like how is it? How is it like also credit about 5,800?
Okay, so maybe I give explanation a bit. So it's almost in like F because it was not recorded. We supposed to receive interest revenue about 15,800, but we never record. So now when we record it as interest revenue receivable. So because we haven't record it yet, and we credit
Yeah.
interest revenue 15,800 and as a record.
Okay, understand.
And then for H, supplies invoice for purchase of merchandise inventories amounting to 135,000 ringgit were misplaced and only recently discovered. So anyone?
Wong, can you explain?
Yang itu dia ada record tapi record salah tempat, so kita
Kita
tukar.
fix it, right?
Oh,
Tapi yang ni tak tulis dia record salah mana, so I just expect we just record the
record
merchandise
baru lah.
inventories only lah.
Record.
Yeah. So now here record the purchase of merchandise inventory. So we just debit the merchandise inventory. So we record, and account payable we record 135,000. So is it okay for all of the additional info?
Okay.
I think it's okay.
Okay, now we just show a bit the adjustment, adjusted trial balance, and the rest lah. So we just show any of the figure that we use the formula. So this one I think is just our discussion just now, and we just put inside the journal to show the adjustment only.
After the adjustment, we need to do adjusted trial balance lah. But based on adjusted trial balance ni, kita boleh buat semua statement.
Ya betul.
Ya betul.
So like some of the figure, there are formula inside we have shown. So we get from the unadjusted trial balance and the adjustment in the adjusted trial balance, the formula. So the profit or loss and the financial statement also same lah. We use the figure inside the adjusted trial balance and just put inside and use the formula to add or minus only. We just pindah masuk aja.
Semua statement ni berkait tau. Kalau contoh yang profit or loss tu net income dia salah, semua salah.
Ya, semua salah.
Dia tak boleh balance lah kalau salah.
Harus ulang lagi dari awal. I think it's already finished, right?
Yeah, it's already done.
This is financial.
So this one change in owner equity only for
Owner equity.
withdrawal
Yeah.
only.
For financial position pula, kita kena asset tu kena minus dengan liability plus equity. Maksudnya kena balance.
Ya. Itu je.
So I think the discussion only until here lah.
Okay. So that's all our discussion. Thank you so much, all of you. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
Thank you.